We'll have to hook up a fan or something. There's no way to put antifreeze to this, is there?
No.
Oh, it's air cooled.
It's air cooled.
Oh, that sucks. How do these things not overheat back in the day?
Because the fan, there was a fan on it that blew against it. The fan blew backwards. Or the shroud.
I guess we're gonna have to figure out how to put an alternator and a fan on it.
Oh, you won't put an alternator on.
Why not?
I don't imagine.
There's no
Well,
room. Because the way they had them, if you look at them, they were all.
Yeah. We just have to have a good battery and a freaking good fan. I mean, it's not like
Well,
we're
if you
running for long.
got a yeah, battery will start at a dozen times. Should.
Oh yeah, but
I don't know if that charger might not be putting something out or something.
oh, it is. I know it is because it gets hot.
Well, that doesn't mean nothing. It still doesn't mean it's.
That charger.